Hello everyone, today we will be using paints. Take 2 shades of blue and then 2 shades of green and smudge it as such. Proceed to take a straw and cut it into multiple small bits as shown above. Dip it in white paint and make these shapes all over. You can also dip it in other colors to add more color to the page. We have chosen yellow and white. Take a earbud to add more detail to what are going to be our flowers. So then take a green paint and then add stems to each of these flowers. Add brown to symbolize the insides of the flowers and then take any sort of cotton or thick part and make clouds out of them. You can also add grass at the bottom. For our next craft, put splotches of yellow paint all over the black paper and add white petals. Add little specks of orange to add more detail. Following this, you will add the stems for each of the flowers by using the paintbrush. You can add more flowers coming out of the side as shown above, and you can add them in different shapes and sizes as well. You can add various colors to add more detail. Sprinkle some paint around. For our next craft, we will take a black sheet of paper and draw branches stemming from the corner. You may do this in brown or a very light shade of pink as seen. Make white circles all around and add yellow spots in the middle of these circles to make them look like flowers. Cut a straw into multiple pieces, dip it in yellow paint and put it in the center as seen above. Add leaves to add more character to your painting. You may add small mini flowers wherever you please. And there you have it. For our next painting, we will be taking dark blue first and then taking green at the bottom and different shades. Smudge all of this paint and then add stems coming from the base. Add circles to the stems to symbolize the center of the flower and then add petals of any color of your choice. We have chosen to do white. Repeat this process until all the flowers have been completed. Following this, you will add little leaves to each of the stems of your flowers and then you will add smaller flowers all around to add more detail to your painting. Following this, you will sprinkle small little white paint all over your painting just to add more character to it.